Comprehensive Guide to Carbohydrates. 1. Biological importance of carbohydrates. Role in metabolism. Carbohydrates are fundamental to the metabolic processes in the body. They break down into glucose, the body's primary energy source, fueling everything from brain function to muscular activity. This section will explore the biochemical pathways involved in carbohydrate metabolism, such as glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation, illustrating their critical roles in energy production. Impact on bodily functions beyond energy. Carbohydrates impact various bodily functions, including maintaining digestive health through fiber intake, which aids in gastrointestinal function and has been linked to reduced risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Detailed descriptions of dietary fiber's role in health will be provided, supported by current research findings. 2. Deep dive into carbohydrate types. Monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides, expanding further on the types of carbohydrates. This section will detail the chemical structures of monosaccharides like glucose and fructose, disaccharides like sucrose and lactose, and polysaccharides such as starch and cellulose. It will explain how these structures affect their digestion and absorption rates, and ultimately, their impact on health. Sources and examples for each type of carbohydrate. A comprehensive list of food sources will be provided, along with their nutritional profiles. This will help viewers make informed choices about what types of carbs to incorporate into their diets, depending on their health and fitness goals. 3. Advanced strategies for carb timing. Timing for different types of athletes. Detailed strategies will be outlined for various types of athletes: endurance athletes, strength athletes, and team sport athletes. Each requires unique carb timing approaches to optimize performance and recovery. For example, endurance athletes might benefit from carb loading before long races, while strength athletes may focus on post-workout carbs to maximize muscle repair and growth. Carb cycling. An in-depth discussion on carb cycling will explain how altering carbohydrate intake on a daily or weekly basis can help manage weight and body composition. This section will include guidelines on how to implement carb cycling, potential benefits, and considerations based on the latest nutritional science. 4. Carbohydrates in medical nutrition therapy. Diabetes management. Carbohydrates have a direct impact on blood glucose levels, and managing their intake is crucial for individuals with diabetes. This section will provide detailed guidelines on how to count carbs, the importance of the glycemic index and glycemic load, and meal planning strategies to manage blood sugar levels effectively. Cardiovascular health. Exploring the link between carbohydrate intake and heart health. This section will discuss how different types of carbs can influence cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and inflammation. Practical advice on how to structure a heart-healthy diet rich in whole grains and fiber will be included. 5. Myth-busting and common misconceptions. Addressing popular myths. Common myths about carbohydrates, such as carbs make you fat or all sugars are bad, will be debunked with scientific evidence. This section aims to correct widespread misinformation and provide viewers with a balanced understanding of the role of carbs in a healthy diet. Expert opinions. Interview segments with dietitians and sports nutritionists will be included to provide authoritative insights into carbohydrate myths and facts. These experts will share their perspectives, backed by research and clinical experience, to lend credibility and depth to the discussion. Interactive elements and engagement strategies. Viewer challenges. Propose challenges for viewers to modify their carb intake according to the guidelines discussed in the video, encouraging them to document and share their experiences on social media. Q&A sessions. Plan live Q&A sessions following the video release to address viewer questions and clarify complex topics discussed in the video. This will help maintain viewer engagement and reinforce the video's educational goals. By expanding each section with comprehensive details, practical examples, and interactive elements, the script will not only meet your target word count, but also ensure it delivers valuable, scientifically sound, and engaging content. This approach will help solidify viewer understanding and interest, making your video a go-to resource on carbohydrate management for health and fitness.